Hi guys, big box. Don't do unboxings normally, but I was just about to open it. I thought I might as well video it. This is the next project. So I'm going to hack away at this box. I'm not going to spend a long time messing about with it. Just try and get in it. It's severely well packed. Get rid of this great big box. Something you can see. Right, here we go. There we go. Something different for me. Road car. It's a HPI RS4 Sport 3, and I've got the Hoonigan design because I just love it. So yeah, I'm gonna build a fast road car, and I figured this would be an ace way of starting. A lot of people have unboxed this already. I just thought that while I was getting out, I'd have a look. It's I've got to say, it's a really nice box. Really nice box. It's got all the nice graphics. So yeah, it's really nice box. I must admit, I'm not one for boxes, but I always want to see what's in them. But yeah, let's just, oh, this has already been, the seal on this is broken. Let's hope that doesn't mean there's anything funny going on. Right. Controller, which probably won't be using. Bag of bits, shock pistons, clips, a few screws, and just a couple of spares in there. You see that? Some batteries and a wall charger, and that's a standard. Have a look. That's a standard NOIMH battery, which I'm not using. This is going to be on 3S LiPo, so I'll use that in something else, my nephew's car or something like that. So on to this. Okay, it's attached to the box. A bag of instructions. I'm going to put all this out and get rid of the box again. The car's attached to this, and I'll get that off there. So do that. Right, hopefully. Yep. Right. More boxes out of the way. Okay. Right, now that's the bit we've been waiting for. I'll bring this more into shot. So that's how you get it. The box actually, I think the body's in a bag. I'm not sure if the whole thing's in a bag. No, the body's in a bag. So that's a bit weird. It's clipped from the outside here. Right. Unusual way of packaging. There we go. Oh God, they hate those little ones. Right, so pull this off, get this off here. Finally, we've got some packaging out of the way. Right, there's the body. I've got to say, that's a pretty wicked body. Really nice. Really nice. Yeah. Diffuser. This is really nice. It will end up getting smashed up with me driving it, speeds I go, but it'd be nice to look at it, you know, before I do. It really is a nice body. We'll put that on the car, and where the body posts are. It's there. Right. So there's the car. It's a beautiful bit of kit. Lovely, lovely bit of kit. Right. Now, I will show you what's in it, although I'm going to change it all, because I'm going to put a 3S in this. There's the car. Feels fairly solid. Tyres are nice and soft. Yeah, it feels alright. Yes, feels okay. That firebolt motor's coming out for me, along with the ESC. I'm going to go 3S, and apparently I can get 4S in this. I mean, we'll see. We'll see how fast I get it first. But yeah. But yeah, this is just a quick unboxing really. I just the controller, I'm not going to open that yet. These out of the way. So the idea of this for me is to try and make it go as fast as possible. So that's the plan. But yeah, just a quick unboxing. I'll put the body back on it so you can see it again. It's a lovely car. It's quite a big car as well for a 110. And I've got to say I'm very pleased with that. I have actually got some hop-ups for it as well, but I'll be getting them out on the video when I start to mess about with it. Yeah, it's a really, really beautiful looking RC. Never had a road car before, but just put it on this stand so you can see how nice it is. It's just so nicely done. I don't know if you could do a better body than that. It's just the business, absolute business. A bit flexible there, but I'm not used to road cars, so I don't know how the big bodies work and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, I mean, the wheels are just they're just really nice, really nice. I just put this on here just so you could see it a bit better. A lot of great detail on it. And I do need to get this on video before I do some speed runs and smash it to pieces, because yeah, it's going to happen. We all know it's going to happen. But yeah, so as far as the actual car goes, I mean, I'm not filming this stock, but I might as well talk you through what's in there. You've got your battery tray with a strap. Now let's just check. This is the same length as my normal lipos. That'll go in there, which is great. And I think there's this little. I think you can remove this and move it from front to back. Yeah, it's on a screw, so that lets you move the battery backwards and forwards. A standard car. Obviously, it's got the servo fitted. Without firing it up, it's going to be difficult to figure out, obviously, what the steering's like and stuff like that. The diffs are all metal. This is the reason I chose it. The diffs are all metal. They feel good. If I'd have built this as a kit from scratch, I would have done, because I don't need the motor and I don't need the ESC, and I possibly might not even need the receiver if I run off the Fly Sky as well. But yeah, I mean, it feels solid. It does feel solid. These tyres are nice. These tyres are ever so nice. Really soft, good pattern on them. Yeah, and the suspension feels really, really nice. Really nice. Quite hard at the front, but then again, road car. I'm not used to road cars, so yeah, that's the whole point in this. But yeah, so that's just a quick look over the actual car itself. I don't think there's much more to it than that. If you're running it yourself with this standard kit in it, then that's what you're going to get, and you just plug it in and off you go. And I will run it like that. I will have a go out. Just put a 2S battery in it. I've got a Tamiya adapter, so I can put my LiPo on it. I'll put a 2S LiPo on it and just see what it goes like, because I'll only have one chance to run it standard because it'll all come apart. So yeah, I mean, it's a nice looking bit of kit, it really is. There's no flex in it, none at all. These wheels are really, really nice. Really, they're so well detailed. Really, really nice. Yeah, so that's it unboxed anyway. Standard car, like I said, not going to say standard. So all my videos from on this car from going forward will be me basically trying to make it as quick as possible. That's it, guys. I'm gonna stick a 2S in it, which it'll take a 2S standard, and I'm gonna have a spin with it. Let's take it out in the car park, see how it goes. But for now, that's it. Thanks for looking.